What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. What's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. And today, we're gonna tell you 5 reasons why you should cop this sneaker. Guys, if you're brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers, and you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here, and me personally, I like to keep it consistent. So please do me a favor, just hit that little notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. But anyway, guys, jumping right into it, we got some Air Jordan 1s. Now, I did a full review and a on foot of this shoe. All you gotta do is click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that. But make sure you come back here and finish up this video, because I'm gonna give you top 5 reasons why you should buy this shoe. Now, let's pop the top. If you guys don't know, now you know. We got the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe OG. Now, a lot of people are saying they didn't like this. They rather the white tongue. But what they don't know, and this is one of the reasons why you want to buy this shoe, because this is the OG. The OG original is with the black tongue, red laces. Now, I did mention that it also comes with a pair of black laces. Now, for the second reason to buy this, and this is probably just a cliche, the Air Jordan 1 Low just goes with summertime, you know what I mean? Really, really dope. As you can see, they're dropping a lot of two lows. If you haven't seen one of those videos I did a pair of the melon tint. All you have to do is click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. That video is actually performing very well. So if you didn't see it, please do me a favor, check that video out. But yeah, man, these are really, really fire. I like them. That's why I had to get them early. I had to get that review out for you guys. All right, number 3 is gonna have to be the material. Now, they could have used some crappy material, because that's what they usually do on the the lows or the mids or whatever the case is. And now this actually has pretty good leather on it. Not the best, but it's really, really decent. All right, guys, as for number 4 is gonna be, the colorway, man. The colorway is so iconic. It is the original colorway, black toe. Me personally, I like the highs more, but the lows I just had to have. Pretty much, I gotta go back and get the highs because I actually sold them to my boy Ian, which he takes very good care of them, but I have to get that pair back. Hopefully they drop again. We'll never know, but if they don't, that's a shoe that we're gonna hunt. And number 5 is gonna be just because it's a Jordan 1. Like I said in the beginning, man, this shoe is super, super dope, super iconic. Still, 30 plus years later, people are still loving the shoe, still wearing the shoe. I dig the shoe. But guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your opinions. All you got to do is drop them down in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe, because we are trying to grow we are growing every single day, but we're trying to hit 10,000 by the end of this year. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. And until next time, guys, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.